Yeah, sure, bafethu. Like we said, good to know we are operational daily now, so you can come. You can come. Don't be ashamed. Don't be ashamed. Ungazibambezeli, ungazibambezeli. Se on. Every day, bafethu ziyakhala. Premium car wash can be rest assured ukuthi ikara yakho izothi maseva yayiso. You will be happy because we've got nice machinery to make sure ukuthi siwasha in a sense that nezinye indawo esaziyo ukuthi hlezi kuyinkinga mawasha ngesandla they are sorted out yabona. So zokalani bafethu, the car wash closes at 6 daily. Sila esikhumbuzo la, isikhumbuzo secondary school. Mawungena nje egedini yakhona, on your left there is i-Orange Farm Spin City, kula uzosithola khona. Ungasabi 7 Tiger bafethu, 7 Tiger. There is soft drinks that you can buy in the meantime while you're waiting. There is snacks as well. Danko.